Right, here we are. Let's install the WavyBubble app directly from the Play Store. So go to the Play Store, type in WavyBubble. Then if you see this logo, that's the right one. Let's go for that. Click install. Now this will take a while to download, not too long ago. In the meantime, apologies for any background noise. I have all the windows open because it's 30 degrees out today. Alright, there we go. Open up the app. Now we're going to have to do some one-time setup. So first thing I'm going to do is change the group name like this. So for myself, I'll change it to Daryl Home. Mind the trailing space, delete that and go for done. And then we're going to have to give some permissions. So click on mode A. So this phone will run in mode A for now. Permissions, it requires 2 permissions and it displays the reason why. I'm already familiar with it, so I'm just gonna click OK and then allow, and there we are, and then just turn it off, and then we're ready to switch off the app with 2 phones. Alright, so now that we have the WavyBubble app installed on 2 phones and they are both assigned to the same group name, in my case Daryl Home. One of them is going to be run in mode A and the other one in mode B. So let's get that started in 3, 2, 1. And now the phones will start to send out their sound waves. That's my private phone. Well, there you go. That's definitely too close. 10 centimeters. So let's see what happens if we now move them further apart. Let's say 140 centimeters. I guess they're still a bit too close. So what if we move it just outside of this range now? So outside of the 150 centimeters. And there you go, sufficient distance. Yay, it works. So yeah, it's in the Play Store right now. So I'd say check it out, give it a try and let us know what you think.